One, two, one, two. Are we live? We're live. Hey man, sorry, yeah, mic was off. Hi, Anaxa, what's up? Mic was off. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so motion div. Let's add the variants here. Variants gonna be container variants. Initial, hidden, animate, visible. Okay. Yeah. I'm building a real estate full stack application, which is like basically for now like a simple functionality. As you can see, the front page where our house listings gonna be house listings, and it has a dashboard. See this listing? It's coming from the backend. It has this Google authentication, and it has a dashboard, and through dashboard you can like click add property and enter the property details. You can edit or delete, and basically it will be on the main page. And this is like my personal project, just for the sake of creating it. Maybe I'll use it. Maybe I'll use it for some real estate product. And yeah, so basically I'm trying to replicate the design coming from this home Lengo template. Let me show you. This is the original template. At first I started replicating this template. Not like a pixel perfect, but yeah, like trying to replicate this template. And like the front page is done. I'm just trying to add some animations and stuff like that and improve whatever I don't like. And yeah, I mean, then let's see how it goes. Maybe make this project a little bit more sophisticated, bigger, and yeah, let's see how it grows. Ideal would be like I want to finish this project and then maybe make a tutorial video with the explanations how the component is being built, so people can learn something. Yeah, actually many things you can come across while building this type of projects, which involves also backend. Yeah, I mean many things you come up with, like designing tables, like what type of tables you need, endpoints you need, or maybe you want to do some cool animation and you try to learn how to do it. So yeah, So now we are at the moment just trying to make these sections be animated. These are okay, this one's okay, this one is also okay, and this one is like not animated. Okay, so our team section, yeah, I need to revert these changes because I need to apply while in view. Let's import motion again from framework motion. Okay. So what we can do here? Motion P, we motioned the paragraph. Okay, so initial, let's set initial state opacity 0 while in view. While in view gonna be opacity 1 and 0, this one. Viewport gonna be once true. Transition duration 0.5, delay 0.2. Okay, so I need to do the same thing with motion 1, but I don't like the spacing here. Okay, we have motion 1 here. View opacity 1, true, delay. Let's set delay to 4 here. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's another thing. Now it's better. Okay, now we need to animate these components of agents. So this one, employee card, we should put this to motion div. Motion div. Okay, we have the motion div. Now let's add the properties. Like we need an initial, but this should have here. Here should be let's set employee. Initial will be y will be 50, while in view will be 1 and 0. Viewport to true, and transition we have to change. Transition will have to change. Let's set duration to 0.7. Delay will be 0.6 plus, where is plus? Plus index multiplied 0.2. So make sure that this agent components will not render at the same time. No, not render, but not appear on the screen at the same time. And let's set is to 0.2, 0.65, 0.3, 0.9. And we need index. Why don't we have index? Index should be here. Index. Yeah, like this. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah, thanks. So, what next do we need here? I think this loading is okay. Okay, this is okay. This does not need, I guess. Yeah, maybe this one's these components. Let's see the original one. How do they load it? Yeah, like basic loading here as well. Try regex to change all opening and closing tags. Now what do you mean? To change with regex? Yeah, but we don't need to change all openings. I'm applying to some of them for now. Okay, here for example, we need to apply a couple of components here for now. Is music sound okay, by the way, or is it too loud or too low? What do you think, guys? If you're listening. Okay, so let's wrap this blog post to also motion div. Let's add key to this index. Can remove it from here. Set initial. Transition, duration, delay, same here, 0.6 plus index multiplied by 0.2, and let's set the ease. 0.3, 0.9, okay. Let's see, yeah, this okay. Will work for us. Yeah, hi ByteSphere. How much experience I have? I guess like 2 or 3 years will be fair enough to say. Two or 3 years. I work on front end and back end as well, but mostly on front end React TypeScript. Okay, let's see now. The footer, how is the footer? Okay, footer is okay, not being animated. So what else do we need here? Let's see. I think the animations are okay on the main page. I just don't like the font. I need to change the font for sure. We need to change the font for sure. Okay. What else? Okay. Yeah, this button looks terribly ugly, I guess. Search advanced. If I set to 15. I guess 14 maybe. Yeah, 14 is okay. And when hovered, it just disappears. Search advanced. Yeah. This icon should be white on hover as well. Search icon. This is our icon, okay. Component library, you mean which libraries I use in this project? That's what you're asking? Could use this here, I guess. That would be better option. No, I changed different thing. I should have changed this one. Now color, let's set white. No, not white. Yeah, it should be black. Yeah, it's okay. Now it's good. Subarna, hi, what's up? Okay, so maybe I should today create a route for the blogs. But blogs we have a mock data as well. And to populate the blogs, I could create a table in database as well for blogs. But I guess I'll get back to it later. Yeah, I think the main good thing to take care of on this page would be to take care of the filtering. I think so. And should be filtering done on front end or back end? That's the question. Should I just yeah, like I need to find the easiest way because we have like one simple SQL table on the back end, and we have a couple of endpoints like to grab all the houses which is being displayed here, or like a specific house endpoint we have. So yeah, I need to think about it. Yeah, Subarna, learning React.js. Okay, that's nice. Good luck with it. I hope you will learn something, maybe, watching the stream. Okay, so regarding the approach, let's think. Okay, what kind of filter do we have? Advanced filter. To a query by the price. We have a price query, like filter out price from 2, or square meters to filter out from 2, number of rooms, bathrooms, and let's skip amenities for now because I have not implemented the amenities in database table. So for now we can work on the making these filters, basic filters work. So let me consult with Claude. What suggestions can Claude give for implementing these filters? Abdullah, hello. What's up? How is it going? Okay, let's check the backend code. Simple simple route we have for properties, couple of endpoints. What do we have here? We have just properties that returns all the properties. We have single property endpoint. We have create a new property endpoint. Yep. Also we have put request for updating property, and we have delete. Yeah, delete is also needed. Patch to set specific image as the main image. Okay. Search properties. Okay, we have search properties with get request. That, yeah, this get request accepts query string. And where are we searching? Query string. So we have a query string and we are performing search, I guess. Yes, so we specify here the field. What are we querying? Like minimum price, max price. Just a second, I'll be back. Okay, so this get endpoint will work for us. Let's test it. Let's test it. This is our search input. Where is our API calling? Services API. Okay. Okay, we're gonna need loading from our store. Okay, I don't have this. Okay, so we'll add this to our house filters. Search properties API, which will be filters, partial, house filters. Gonna be promise, void. Search properties, my initial will be undefined. Not assignable. Empty string. Okay. Okay, we'll add this method for search properties API here. Gonna be async function. Okay, and we will set loading to true. Minimum bedrooms, minimum bathrooms. We need current filters, bathrooms. Keyword current filters. Search query or current filters location query. Okay, what else? Then we will set houses to results, filtered houses results, loading to false. Try catch. In case of errors, we don't catch error. Set the error failed to search properties. Okay, error message. Why does it shout? Hi Mohtaha. Yes, this is MERN app. This is full stack, including backend server, front end, and also SQL tables. Then we get this error, TypeScript shouting. Error is type of unknown. Okay, let's try this. Okay. This is too unnecessary, I think. Okay, let's get back to our search input component. We have search query loading. We'll need search properties API. Let's create a handle search component function. Search properties API. Search properties. Let's try, maybe this will work. Pass the filters, no? Yeah, so Claude suggesting that actually filters could be not passed, and we can do it without it with this current filters, because we get current filters here, so here it won't be necessary, I guess. Yeah, I guess we have to remove it from here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it matches the address. So it filters based on address. So filters kind of are working. Okay guys, so I guess it's enough for today. It's getting late, so yeah, thanks for watching. See you on next stream.